Yeah, I think it's clear that investors feel more confident because the number of stocks and shares ISAs over the last few years has gone up by 60%. So more people feel confident and at least protected enough to get into the market. And I think we should celebrate that as a really positive thing. I think as a consequence, the market also is getting increasingly crowded. And I think a lot of the confusion can come from there are now so many options to pick from, much more than you had before. And I think there's a role for regulation to make sure that as the market gets busier, there are more types of companies offering stocks and shares ISAs, that they're very clear about which of these products create good outcomes for customers, create successful investors, and which do not. So as an example, we've seen more of the companies that traditionally allow users to trade in very speculative, high-risk products where the chance of loss is much greater, who now use stocks and shares ISAs as a way to draw in customers, kind of convince them first to do the sensible long-term investment, but then graduate them over to speculative products where they're really at risk of losing a lot of money. And we need to clearly, with rules, draw the line so that users are not confused, so that we build a nation of investors rather than kind of financial services comes a new place where a lot of gambling happens. I think that's really important.
GB News Money, sponsored by TallyMoney. Beating the system with gold you can spend. Gold has increased by an average of 11% per annum since the year 2000. Visit tallymoney.com to find out more.